Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in May of this year, I let you know that Windows 11 is finally fixing the Copilot key, where Microsoft said it would be restoring the right control and or context key. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like some more information, and that's part of the K2 initiative, where Microsoft said it's going to be addressing and fixing pain points in the operating system throughout the course of this year. Now, the Copilot key caused quite a bit of a stir and caused quite a bit of debate in different circles when it was first launched by Microsoft with Copilot plus PCs. And in regards to the Copilot key, that's why I mentioned that previous video. If we head into our settings on Windows 11 and we navigate to Bluetooth and devices and we head to keyboard. If you have a device with a Copilot key, I don't on this device, but if you do, you have a couple of options to customize the Copilot key on your keyboard. Currently in the stable, we've got three options: Search, Copilot, that can also be Microsoft 365 Copilot, or Custom. Okay, those are your three options. Now, this could all be set to change because, as spotted by Phantom of Earth over on X, Microsoft has implemented a new Windows 11 setting in experimental builds in the Insider program that allows you to disable the Copilot hardware key on eligible PCs. So if we head over to an image provided by Phantom of Earth, here we can see in Bluetooth and devices keyboard, for customizing the Copilot key on your keyboard, we now get four options: Search, Copilot, Custom, and now you've got a fourth option, Do Nothing, which apparently is a hidden feature in recent experimental builds, and hidden features are code that Microsoft is testing internally and hasn't as yet enabled for official testing in the operating system, which means you can now disable the Copilot key, which means it does nothing. Now, although Microsoft has given us a fourth option, it doesn't seem that Microsoft is going to be doing away with the Copilot key on eligible PCs and devices, but at least now we've got more customization and more options, which I think is great. I'm always in favor of options. And currently, as mentioned, this is in the experimental channel, which in effect is the dev channel, the old dev channel. And it's unclear when the feature will begin rolling out to the public, but I think we can expect it within the next few weeks rather than toward the end of the year when 26H2 rolls out. And that's largely because Microsoft promised, as I've mentioned previously, it's going to give you greater control over the Copilot key sooner rather than later. So I'll keep my ear close to the ground with this, and obviously if I get knowledge that that has rolled out to the stable, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.